Hey there, I'm Brittany Smith and welcome to Filmmaker Symposium. So if you've ever tried to write a screenplay and you've tried to do it correctly, formatting it with all the proper spacing and the indents and the capital letters and lowercase letters and italics, you'll come to find that it's really hard to do on Microsoft Word. In fact, it's probably not even worth your time because you'd spend more time formatting than actually writing. Now, most professional screenwriters will use a professional software program that they pay for and download. Now, of course, that is certainly an option, but if you're a beginning screenwriter and are on a really tight budget and don't have a lot of wiggle room for purchasing software, there is a free option that I've used successfully that I'll share with you today. So once you're in Google Docs, be sure to click on Add-ons at the top. Then hover over Get Add-ons. Type in Screenplay Formatter, then download by clicking the blue button. And now you're ready to start writing. As you can see, I have already reserved the first page for the title of my next screenplay. To get started with your first scene, click on the header button and type in the location and time of your scene. To start the description part of your scene, you'll use the action button. For dialogue, you'll use the speaker button to establish the character that is speaking. The parentheses button is for description right before the dialogue. Then you'll use the dialogue button to write the dialogue for that specific character. The new character button is for when you're introducing a new character in your description. So of course this program is free, which is great, and it's also easy to use. However, with free does come a price. So this Screenplay Formatter is exactly that. It's just a formatter. It does nothing else. But if you want more bells and whistles where you can edit mass amounts of information at the same time, for instance, if you want to change a character's name, with professional software, it's just a matter of changing it once and then it changes all the names at once in your dialogue. But with the Screenplay Formatter, you would have to go through each piece of dialogue and change that character's name every single time. So if you're looking for those bells and whistles, this is not the place to go. But if you're a beginning screenwriter and you're on a budget, this is a great way to save money, and it's a great way to just kind of get your feet wet and dabble with screenwriting. So I hope this video was helpful and it helps you write your next blockbuster. Hey, it's never bad to be hopeful, right? So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future episodes of Filmmaker Symposium.